It's a bit of an afterthought, this video, so there is going to be a bit of noise in the background. I am at home and Claire is cooking me dinner. So the little Porsche Boxster that the video's just gone out on, I actually thought I'd better do this video just so that it doesn't disappoint anyone. I actually drove that car home and the guy a couple of doors away showed an interest in it straight away and asked me how much it was. I told him the price, guys, and he bought it. So just to let you all know that that car is not going to be on Instagram for sale. If he ever sells it in the future, I'm sure I will mention it, but that car's not actually going to be for sale. And I did sell it to him for the full £3,200 as well. So that was a nice, lovely little quick flip. While I'm here, it'd be a shame to upload a 1 minute video. I do quite a lot of updates at the end of all the videos, but I know that a lot of people, and I appreciate, they probably think I'm going to be saying the same thing I normally am, but I'm actually not. I do car and channel updates at the end of the videos. Sorry, I've got no tripod, so we're a bit wobbly. The Range Rover Classic is only going up in value. I've said this previously. It is a long-term project. It was never going to be an overnight thing. It was never going to be something that was going to be quickly done in 3 to 6 months. That is a long-term project. The worst of that car, we believe, is actually done. It's not going to go rusty. It's sitting in the garage. I see a few people saying it's rotting away. All of the inside of the doors is all painted. All of the seals under the bonnet is all painted. We know that the roof and all round the inside of the scuttle panel is done. We've literally got to do a roof lining, do some building up on the inside of those doors and get the tops back on them because they're all painted. And that car can actually go down to the paint shop. So in the near future, we will get on that car. The Volkswagen Golf, GTI, we've got the fuel tank, got the filler neck, got all the bits for that car to actually get it all running very nicely. And then it's going to need a bit of paint work and then the other jobs doing on it. So I would like to think that we'll possibly get on that next week. If it's not next week, it will be very early the week after. We'd like to get the fuel tank in it and get the rest of the bits on it. So that's coming very soon. The Toyota Hilux, I think you all heard Chris in the last video saying just sell it, Rob, just let it go. I'm still umming and ahhing, but possibly we are going to let that go for export because I had no luck finding a tub. I know quite a lot of you did send me links for tubs and bits and pieces. One guy sent me a link and it was the correct tub, but it was the other side of the world. It was £300 and it was probably another 500 to get it back to the UK. So we're not going to go down that road. It's a lot of welding and Chris has got arthritis in his hand. I can't keep giving him loads of welding jobs. We're in it together and it's not fair because I don't weld, that he is sitting there welding it up. I mean, he sat outside and done that motorhome and that was quite a bit of work in itself. So still undecided on the Hilux, but I will put it on Instagram when we sell it and put it out to everybody, possibly. But I do think that it needs to go for export. It's got no MOT. The tub's still there, but the back floor in it is rotten as a pear. So it's going to need a whole new floor. So really, the only long-term projects we got, I've just seen a comment in the other video saying we got too many long-term projects. We haven't got too many long-term projects. We got the Golf GTI and the Range Rover Classic. And the Golf GTI is not a long-term project. It is just a project. So we'll be getting on that soon. And once we do get cracking with that, it won't take long at all. We got the Escort RS Turbo, which is only just come in. You've probably seen, if you follow me on Instagram, I've done 2 posts, one today and one the other day. I've been back to the guy's place and picked up all of the stuff. So I will put that in another video and we're going to be selling quite a bit of that. I thought I'd do this video because I have actually seen quite a few Instagram messages coming through as well saying they'd like to buy that car. Unfortunately, the Porsche has gone. So the red Escort, again, we're undecided. Like a lot of you, that was very, very mixed feelings in that video. A lot of you did, sorry, let me just wipe that camera, that should be a bit better. A lot of you did say, Rob, why don't you put the original interior in it? Some of you were saying, boy, erase it up. But a lot of you, and I would say it was the majority, said, leave it as it is. What is a 1.4 Escort with steel wheels and original interior worth? And I do completely get that. What is it worth? I don't think it'd be worth as much as what it is, the way it sits at the moment. So, but I've been off today. I had to take the dog back to the vets for a scan, and that all went really well, so we're good there. But I am going to chat to Chris tomorrow morning about the Hilux and also the red Escort, because if we're not doing anything to it, then really that needs to go up for sale. We got some cracking bits from the guy that we bought the cars from, including a nice new set of springs for the Escort. I've got another 2 really nice Recaro seats, so we're going to be able to swap that one out with a cigarette burn in it. And what other projects? Peugeot 108, currently at the paint shop. A Ford KA is currently on the ramp. And we've got a nice new project just come in that we will be making a start on. Probably try to do some tomorrow so that we can get a video out, possibly Friday or even Monday. So guys, really that was just a little bit of an update. I've probably forgot loads of stuff, but what I will say, a lot of people do still keep reaching out on Instagram, offering us cars and asking us to fix cars and things like that. The number one thing I will say, I know I sound a bit repetitive to everyone that's heard me say it, is when you send us an Instagram message, please include your contact phone number. The other thing I wanted to pick up on is, again, repetitive, but we don't work on other people's cars. We only get the time to work on our own stuff, unfortunately. So really, really sorry about that for anyone that did want to get their car fixed. I know recently we've had a couple of people. Let me just think what else I've got to add. I genuinely can't think of anything else, but no doubt I would have forgotten something. So guys, thank you all, and thank you all for the comments and your support on the recent Porsche video. I really enjoyed making that video. It was cracking to make it, and of course it was really nice to get it all done in one video. We really do like that. And I did say at the end of the video, if anyone wants to see some more of them quick flips, let me know and we'll be sure to do some. And already I can see the comments coming in saying, definitely Rob, we love these kind of videos. So hopefully that did answer a few of your questions, guys. I'll leave you all to get back to your evening. Thank you all very much, and hit the thumbs up on this little video if you enjoyed it. See you all soon.